I just ordered some custom floor mats and I hope they fit my car. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my car here, and I have some custom floor mats in it, and I don't really love them. They were pretty cool. I've used them for the last year or two, and they have the logo on them. They have the look that I wanted, but you're not really looking at floor mats. You are feeling floor mats. You're running your feet on the floor mats, and I really wanted floor mats that were super soft, super plush, super comfortable. Do a little sound deadening, those types of things. So I found this website called FitMyCar. So I hope they deliver and the floor mats fit my car, because I haven't even eyeballed these things yet. I just opened up the top here. And one of the things that I did here was I picked the most plush, the most luxurious, the softest option that they had, because I really wanted that deep plush underneath my foot. I would say that I've been following cars for years, and I think cars like Rolls Royces have almost house-like plush carpeting, like super plush carpeting. I don't expect to get that, but I'm hoping that this plush carpeting will be quite a bit thicker and more plush than the carpeting that's in the car. Otherwise, this whole exercise was for nothing. So let's just take a peek at what we get here. I ordered them in just black, like I like my coffee. Little clamp on grommets. I will say this is the front driver's side, and then this is the passenger side. And one of the things that I'm liking right here is that on the passenger side, there's a little bit more of a kick right here because of the way the four-wheel drive system is in the Ghiblies. There has to be some space right here to miss that transmission tunnel. On the non-four-wheel drive ones, it goes in a little bit more. The transmission tunnel is a little bit smaller. So I also want to take a look at the material here, and you can see, kind of looks like automotive carpeting, but that is pretty plush. You might be able to see here, if I push my finger into it, how plush that is. Oh, the plushness. So quite a bit softer than the material that's in there right now. So let's go ahead and pull them out, just compare them, and then install these. Now, here are my old mats. They had like the silver finish and the Maserati logo in on them. So I liked the look, but when I got them, I didn't really like how not very plush the material is. You can see it has that same kind of material, but it's just a smaller, shorter pile, you know, right? Just like that. See, my finger can press down and compress the top, but it doesn't really go into it, right? Now, if I grab this material here, same type of test here, it might be hard to see, but you can see how much it's sticking out above the edging right there. I mean, you can kind of see how much more flat, almost compressed that is to that. Yeah, not even close. So that's a really good sign. All right, let's get these in the car, check them out. All right, got the mats in. They were very easy to install because guess what? The FitMyCar mats fit my car. Even got a little dirt for my shoes already, but the side that I was most worried about, because of this hump here, because of the way the transmission tunnel's cut on this particular model of this particular car, as you can see, perfect fit like a glove. I tell you what, the material on the mat is actually, I think, more plush than the material that comes in the car. And you can see, fastens in there perfectly. It's a perfect color match too, but oh, I'm rubbing my feet on it right now and it feels so good. So plush. So if you're looking for plush custom mats to replace maybe your worn out mats, maybe you just want to upgrade your mats, the FitMyCar mats not only fit, they came pretty quickly. They are easy to install. They look great. And I tell you what, if you drive barefoot like I do, oh, they feel so good. So I'm going to put a link to FitMyCar mats in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.